gonna wax my legs, y'all. I got the TressWellness wax where came from Amazon. I've been buying this for like a year and something. I don't know. But I love this. This wax really good. Love it. Look how this is a big bag. And then it comes with sticks. I'm gonna wax these legs and these arms. It's not too bad on my arm, but look at that. I'm gonna show you guys my legs though. Okay, I did my first strip. That hurt. Like I said, I haven't waxed in a while, and ooh. Yeah, hear that? Let's keep going. I'm not a professional, but you know. I got some little hair down there too. 1, 2. Oh, I don't know that. Guess my skin was like, oh, okay, I know what we're doing. Ooh, no. Y'all see that? Mm-hmm. Smooth. Literally dry, just like that. Ooh, that one stung a little. Oh, got it. Y'all see that? Smooth. Smooth. I got some little extra work here I'm still doing. But smooth. This. Do y'all see that? Well, let's finish though. Once I was done, I just added some oil to my legs and rubbed it in.